Hi everyone. So let me start the reading for Pisces Ascendant today for the second week of October, and let's see what is stored for Pisces Ascendant this week. I don't need this many. Let me see the unicorn card. Angel card. So let me see what's stored for Pisces Ascendant. The first card is Eight of Wands, Nine of Swords, and the Devil. If I see as per love reading, you are expecting communication from someone whom you love, and you have not received the communication from them, or for some of the people, if you are receiving the information, any communication for them, that communication is only disturbing you, and you are not able to sleep properly and having insomnia issue, and you are like not sleeping whole night and only thinking about that what to do and what to not to do, and you have become so much obsessed with this person, whoever is in your life and whoever you are loving, and you are always expecting that that person should send you a message, or they should call you, but when you are not receiving the expected result, you are like being into this energy, not sleeping in the night and thinking all the time, and destroying your health. And you have to, this devil card is showing the obsession, and you have obsession about that person, and what you have to do is you have to come out of this obsession. And if I see work wise, you're gonna get quick communication regarding if you have applied for any job or anything, if you were waiting for any communication, you will be receiving this, and because of that you gonna, because sometimes when we get good news also, that time we are like very stressed out, that we are like waiting for that opportunity. Okay, my god, when I am gonna join and all, and that because of that also we are having insomnia at night, and this job is going to give you when you will be joining this job, you are not going to be so much happy with that job, and you will be obsessed with that job. But when you were obsessed with that job, and when you will be receiving that, you will be not that much happy, and it will be only giving you this insomnia and all. And for some of the people might be you will be receiving the communication of losing a job. I'm sorry to say, but some of the people, I can see that they will be losing the job, and they will be performance wise, they will be getting an email that the performance is not good and all, and they have to work on themselves, and you will have that fear that you will be losing that job, and you will not be able to sleep. And this is a kind of job with which you are obsessed. Might be you are getting very good pay in that job, and you are thinking that if I will lose that job, the life is going to be very difficult. So that will be leading you to insomnia and troubled nights. Okay. And what is the unicorn message for us? Rainbow. There is a rainbow beyond the clouds. As I already said with this devil card, that you have to come out of this obsession, and there is a rainbow waiting behind the clouds. Even the angels are confirming it. Once you will come out of this obsessive energy, and once you will come out of this troubled energy, there is a new start, there is a rainbow waiting for you, and you have to do this. If it is love also, you have to come out of that obsession, and if it is a job also which is not giving you peace of mind, you have to come out of that as well, so that you can have good and new opportunities. Okay. And the card from Archangel deck is, and the message for you is from Archangel Jophiel. I am a shining star. I focus on all my good attributes and amplify them. I see my path shining brightly before me. I have the courage to step forward with joy and enthusiasm. I help others as I radiate my magnificence. Golden topaz, that is your stone for this week. Do you need to recapture your personal power? Surround yourself with people who recognize your talents, intelligence, creativity, kindness, and thoughtfulness. Their appreciation will amplify your goodness, share your inner wisdom and beauty. It is time to reclaim and amplify your personal power. As I already said you from these cards, that you have to come out of your obsession, and you have to think about yourself. You need to change yourself. Then only you will be receiving your personal power, and you will be coming in your own. Because see, thinking about others is good, but losing yourself in thinking about in course of thinking about others is not good. It is called obsession, and you have to come out of that. And Archangel also wants to give you that message only, that you have to know this, that you are a shining star, and once you will start focusing on your on the good things, it will you're gonna amplify them, and your path will shine brightly in front of you. So it is also confirming the rainbow card, that you're gonna get a shining bright path in front of you. I have the courage to step forward with joy and enthusiasm, and with you would be able to step forward with joy and enthusiasm only and only when you will be coming out of this obsessive energy. So come out of this obsessive energy, do forgiveness prayer every day, and change the routine life, sleep early, do prayers and all. That's gonna help you. But this insomnia and these sleepless night not gonna help you. It's gonna destroy your health more. So be happy, try to change yourself, do forgiveness prayer as much as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.